Hello everybody, this is Purnima from BIGI, Faculty of Shining Stars. As you all know, this is a lockdown period and we are not getting any materials outside and your children are getting very bored at home. So I thought of doing something colorful and creative with a minimum set of materials for you all. Okay? Today I'll be showing you how to do a pocket-friendly solar system. See? This is the way we can do. I've already made it and kept it ready, but I'll be showing you how to do it. Okay, for this we need black kg cardboard, 8 circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and one more of the same size in yellow color. If you don't have yellow color kg cardboard, it's not an issue. I have painted this on a white kg cardboard. You can color it also. Okay, and you need a fevistick, scissor and a strip like this for your sun rays, and different colors for the planets. 8 planets we have, so we need 8 different colors of different size of circles and colors. So how do you do a circle? With the minimum amount of material I have already cut the circles. So all you need to do is you take a plate or a bowl which is round in shape and just draw it like this on the outer surface, and take the help of your parents, and you can use the scissors with the help of your parents and start cutting it in a circle shape. So here we have altogether 8 plus 1, 9 circles. Okay, now I will start pasting one by one. How do you do that? First, make this kg cardboard into half. Fold it into half. So once you are done, you get it like this, okay, like a book. Let it dry for a while. See, this way. Now all we have to do is you have to stick the rays of the sun. You have to make a sun. You can be more creative. You can use matchsticks instead of this kg cardboard or anything. You can make a shape of a triangle for the rays and you can stick it. Okay, whatever material I'm having, I'm using it. Just keep on sticking to the side, apply the glue, stick like this. Okay. Just it has to dry a bit. Now is the time for the sun. You have to stick the sun. Okay. I hope everyone knows the color of the sun is yellow. Correct? See, perfect shape. You have to keep it on it and just paste like this. Okay? Hold it up tight like this so that let it stick. See? Can you see? Can you see like a sun? It is like a sun. It's okay, one or two falls, children, because still needs to stick it up. So let it dry. When it is drying, I have cut the two eyes for it in the shape of eye. Okay, like this, with the white paper or white KG cardboard, or if you have a whitener like this, you can use it, or a white paint. With a white paint also you can do it. I am here using a paper. I am doing the eyes for it. What am I doing? Eyes. Okay. See, we have a booklet like this. Okay, the rays is falling down. It's okay, no worries. Just paste it. Apply some glue, some more glue. Now that we have pasted the sun like this, you can see actually how your booklet looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's start pasting the planets one by one. This is Mercury. The first planet and very close to the sun is Mercury. Just take a glue. I don't have the time to dry it, so it's still drying. You can paste it like this. Second one is the second planet. Which is the second planet? Can anyone tell me? Venus. Apply the glue. Paste it. And the third planet is the planet Earth, where we live. It is blue in color, blue and green with the clouds. Okay. The planet which we live in is called the Earth. Okay. The next planet is Mars. Mars, look at the planet Mars. It's a little bit brownish, tinge of brown and orange. Can't get the same colors. You can take circles and color it. This is Mars. The next one is the biggest planet. It's called as Jupiter. Yes. The next one is a planet with a ring. It is called as Saturn. Just when you are pasting it, just fold it into half and make it like this. It will be easy for you all. Just apply the glue like this and open it up, and you can paste it like this. Once you apply like this, you can paste the ring like this on for the planet Saturn. Okay. Let it dry for a minute. After Jupiter, the next is Uranus. It's a little bit blue in color. I didn't get the exact colors as it's locked down. Whatever minimal material I had, I'm using it. I've painted it. Last planet, which is very far from Sun, is Neptune, and it's very, very cold, children. Neptune, the planet Neptune is very, very cold. Once it is ready, children, let this one dry. I have another set which is ready. I have kept it ready for you. It looks like this. See here? Mercury, Venus, Earth, the planet which we live, Mars, the biggest planet Jupiter, the planet with the ring Saturn, Uranus, and the coldest planet, children, Neptune. So, solar system, your pocket friendly solar system is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.